This is a video request for help plumbing at 402 Aspen Road, Francis, Utah. It's easy to locate. It's in back of right behind the Latter-day Saint Chapel. After you do work, you can go to church. Anyway, so the plumbing in this house is particular. There are 5 washer and dryers to begin with. There are these exterior faucets that you have here. We mounted them. Need a water supply. And I'll go in 402 Aspen Road, Francis, Utah, 84036. And to the right is his guest bedroom. We did the dry plumbing here. And what we're looking for is a plumber. Be nice if it's a master plumber, but it doesn't need to be. Stand-up shower here, bathroom on the first floor. Notice the toilets are on pedestals. It's because we're going to have radiant heat. We did as much as we could, and we need help. So that's the first floor bathroom. Now this is a great room. Now right here is where we think we're going to run a waste pipe. So from the second floor, you can see a waste pipe there. This is a vent for the kitchen. Faucet and sewerage. Again, we're dry fitting. This is for the vanity, the master bedroom. This is for the stand-up shower in the master bedroom. This is for the washer and dryer in the master bedroom. This is for the toilet in the master bedroom. Now this is the kitchen. Let's see. We did the best we can, but we need the consultation of a master plumber. The kitchen. We stepped out where we think the refrigerator water supply is. Now, above this is plumbing, including a tub, shower, toilet, toilet vent, vanity, so on and so forth. So we need a plumber to tie all this together for us. I'll take you up to the second floor. Laundry room. See, we need to tie those pipes into that vent. There's some more piping that needs to be tied in. It's a reverse angle here. Here's the second floor vanity. Toilet on a pedestal because there's radiant heat. And here is a master bedroom. Again, another washer and dryer arrangement. Toilet area. Stand-up shower. A whole lot of associated vents. The vent for the toilet needs to be hooked up to that pipe there. Vent for the shower. Vent for the kitchen sink. Needs to be tied in. Vent for this vanity needs to be tied in. Vent for this vanity needs to be tied in there. We also need to somehow get the waste plumbing for this master bath that's cantilevered over is open space and it's cold there. So I'll just show you the basement. We need help with this water heater, for instance. These pipes here, there are 3 of them, one I ripped out already. 3 need to be ripped out and replaced. Instead of DWV fittings, they need to be solid pipe core fittings. This is again some dry plumbing. This is coming from the kitchen sink. And then eventually just kind of dry fitted that. Needs to tie into this. And go here. So this is underneath the first floor bathroom. There's a toilet there. We need to tie in with this vent. And this is for the vanity. This is for the stand-up shower. And this itself is a basement bathroom. We need to tie those vents to these vents. Go up and, yeah, that's it. So plumbing for 402 Aspen Road, Francis, Utah. We could use your help. We can use your help.